is Andrew Chisakara in Calgary, Alberta, and this is my final for CS50. So I decided to make a website for a hair and beauty website. So my wife offers these services. This is the home landing page. That's what we're met with. If you click on the logo, it will take you home. If you click on home, it will take you home as well. Next is the about page. It gives you a quick synopsis. And as you can see, as the page goes up, when you get to the navigation bar, it sticks, stops moving. This is us. This is my beautiful wife, and this is her passion. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read it a bit longer. One of the features is it does auto scale. As it gets smaller, things justify into the center. As it gets bigger, it's good as well. Like it works on mobile as well. And then the menu just goes into a hamburger type thing. Next up would be the contact us page. Got some links to Instagram, Facebook, and email. Or you can also send a quick message. So for example, we'll say the name is Andrew. Email is andrew@email.com. And message is hello. Okay. Send it, and it's added to a SQL database that's in the background. Down in the footer of the website, I put a little link where it says Pauline and Chase Media. Brings us to an admin portal. All the passwords work, and they're hashed in the background. Administrator. Okay, got that wrong. And it brings you to a page that shows you all your messages so you can keep up with them. As you can see right at the bottom, andrew@email.com was the last time that